Look at our UVA-Wise camera this morning as we show you some of the fog that's starting to set in across Wise County. View here from the campus, and about 15-20 minutes ago you could see the mountain there in the distance. Now some of that fog is setting in. It kind of shows you the variability depending on where you're at and kind of what time through the morning in terms of what the visibility looks like through the morning time frame. It's in the 60s this morning, 63 degrees at the Wise Airport where that observation is taken. We're going to rise up into the low 70s by around 10 a.m. and into the low 80s by lunchtime. Then around 83 to 84 degrees this afternoon for a high temperature across the area with some showers and thunderstorms developing. Let's show you the weather setup, okay? This is kind of what we've got going on in the atmosphere. Stationary front to our east, trailing cold front here through much of the northeast. High pressure starting to build in from the west. So we're kind of sandwiched in between these two. High pressure's good. That's nice weather. Stationary front, not so great. That brings some rain and some showers and storms. So with us being a little closer to that today, I do expect to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the area. Now, interesting kind of weather setup. In the summertime, a lot of times we'll get what's known as a cap in the atmosphere. Think of it like a soda bottle, okay? You got that cap on the soda bottle, you shake it up, nothing really happens. But if you unscrew that cap, you're going to have a big mess in your kitchen, all right? And so that's kind of what's going to happen today in the atmosphere. Across some of the higher terrain, that cap will be easier lifted, and so more showers and thunderstorms expected across that area than in the valleys, where I think we'll keep that cap on for a little bit longer. Now, the thing about a cap is, if you shake it up, there's a lot of energy inside of that bottle, right? And so same kind of thing can happen in the atmosphere. If you get a shower or storm to break that cap, it can have some gusty winds and heavy rainfall associated with it because it's got a lot of energy to work with. So we'll monitor that this afternoon. I think the better chances for some stronger storms may come between around 3 and 5 o'clock. Not expecting widespread severe weather, but I wouldn't be shocked to see a storm or two with some gusty winds, especially in the higher terrain and kind of right adjacent to that through parts of Washington and Sullivan counties. Towards the evening time frame, still a couple showers and storms around. Likely going to have a little bit of lightning as we set the sun tonight and you look out towards the horizon. A lot of people call it heat lightning. A lot of times it's just distant lightning that you can't hear the thunder for because it's too far away from you. Thursday, starting off the day with mainly dry conditions by around 11 noon. Still some showers and storms developing. Not as widespread of coverage tomorrow than today, but still a chance for some showers and storms. Temperatures in the 80s today across much of the area. We're going to be in the low to mid 80s. Here's northeast Tennessee, and then southwest Virginia, kind of more of the same with 77 to 85, depending on where you're at. We look at lows tonight, dropping down into the 60s. Next weather maker, that's going to be a chance for some rain at times that once again could be locally heavy tomorrow and also as we go through the next couple of days. So take along our Storm Track 5 mobile app with you as we look at the extended forecast. You'll notice a couple chances for rain, not just today, but also into the next couple of days. And I'll show you that 7-day forecast. There it is. 86 on Thursday, 87 on Saturday, and 89 as we go into Sunday with temperatures approaching 90 degrees there towards the late portion of the weekend.